Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you submit your work on Google Classroom using the DocHub PDF file. So this is your email. This is a student email account. You're familiar with that account. So first you got to open your email. Second, you're going to go to Google Apps and right here, Google Classroom. That's where you're going to click to get access to your classes. So since this is a student account, I put some assignment on Google and on grade 4, technology 4. That is calling get ready for 4th grade. So this is the assignment and you have a copy right here. Alright, we're gonna open from here and this is what you have. Now from here you're gonna go to this little dots. Once you click it, it will open a little window on it with a menu or two. One says detail and the other one says open a new window. So we're going to open a new window. It's going to open right here. Now we were here and now we're here. This is a Google Classroom and this is the document PDF file. Now we got to open with. So we're going to pick DocHub because we can write on the document. We can edit. So we're going to click this one. Now if you're going to bump into some arrow that don't allow, you're probably using too many accounts. If you use only one account like I'm using over here and for the Google or for the SFA student account, you're not going to have a problem. But if you give your arrow, you can come back and continue until you get it through it, until you get it this section. So once you're in these sections, now when you see this little shade, it means that you can write your name. So over here, I'm going to type SFA, a student, and over here, I'm going to type 4th grade. Alright, so this is allowing me to do, okay, we fine with this section. Now we're going to start using this menu over here. Now, in this section, we're going to go back here. Some of them is already complete this thing. Alright, so we don't want, this is a little mistake that I make right before that I started making this video. So we're gonna go back, make sure you backspace in these things. We're gonna go back and delete this, but anyway, this is the thing that you need to write, which is already there. Okay, we got in this section. In this section, it asks you to draw a line over here to pick it. Okay, now this is, you go back here, this is the line you make it, or you can make the arrow like this one. Okay, if you want to move it, this is moving. If you don't like it, you can delete it. Again, look, you see that? And then you can go back here and click it to eliminate that. You want to go back to the arrow, you click to the arrow again. You see that? If you don't like it, you can always delete it. If you want to move it, you go back here. Okay, you want to move it, you can move it. Or if you don't like it, you can delete it. Or you can use the other arrow to make it easy for you. Okay, you got it? Alright, this is one. Again, you can type your name. You always got to click the pointer to go back, to avoid that. Now let's go back to another section. This is easy. You can type the work there. Let me go back to another one. Now in this one, you got to make a circle, whatever circle it. Again, you can use this one. You can use the first choice. It's going to draw in free hands. Free hands, you can make it. You can circle it right here. Oh, I didn't click it. Let me click it. See that? You can make a circle. You can choose the word. Okay? And then you can always go back to a pointer. You don't like it? Again, you can trust it or you can move it. Alright, let's go back to another example. Okay, let me see. All these things you can type. Again, you can use the text box to type. We're going to use it right here in this example. If you got to choose one of them, you go back here. Either you can choose this one or you can choose the check one. You can choose the check one. Look, see that? See that? You can check back and go back here and leave it, whatever the answer is you choose. Again, if you don't like it, you can trust it or you can move it around. Alright? I'll try to be fast. Sorry. So that I can complete and finish doing the example that I'm doing with you. And over here you need to type the apostrophe. Now this is, you do the text. You see that? You click it. Again, you go back here to see your answers right there. If you want to make sure that you did that work, showing the work, you just go back here and make a circle on it. Free hands. You got that? Again, go back here to the pointer to get rid of it. You don't want it, you can delete that. Again, you can delete it again. Alright? Let's go back to another one so that I can see over here. You do the same thing. You want to, you go on the line, you use that on the line. You underline that thing. See that? You don't like it, you can move it around or you can trust it. Again, over here you can do the drawing. Again, you can use anything you want. You can use the drawing. You go with happy face. Alright, you can click it, make it big. Or you can use the hand, the free hands. The free hands is right here. And you can make it your own drawing. You see that? You can make it your own drawing. Not as good as that, but anyway, you go back, you have an idea what most likely what to do, and then you can trust it. If you don't like it, you can move it around. Alright, this one I've already put the numbers on it, the little box on it, so you can write it. Some of it I stopped doing because I said let me just go to this program and make it easy for you and for me to do the work. So all these things already made that for you, put onto. Now, and this one doesn't have it. So you go back here and the text box and you click it. And whatever number is the answer, if the answer is 58, you write the 58. And you can use this to move it exactly where you want it. If you made a mistake, you don't want it, you can delete it, go back and do it again. Alright. So let's make it easy for you. Okay, easy. All these things is the same thing. Over here, again, you want the answer, you click the A. See, if the answer is whatever the answer is, let me see the answer. Let me move it around. Go back to the pointed. This is so you can move it around. If the answer is 9, you made a mistake. We put a 9, and we move it. No. I thought it was addition, it's multiplication. The answer is 14. So we move it around right there. See that? We go back to the pointer, we see it. 14. You don't like the answer, you can change it, you can trust it. You got it. Alright? So over here, we could continue. We do the same thing with the text box. Text box. We're using over here text box. Alright? Same thing. Oh, you're using the text box. You're using the text box to get this. How much is 14? Again, the text box. You write it right here. How much is the answer? It's 2. Again, if you want to move it, look at this. You move it up there. You go back to the pointed. It's the answer to stay there. Alright? Okay. Let's see. Let me go back another one. I think it's practically I cover everything. Everything is there. Over here you can use either the check, you can use the check mark. See that? You can make it a small one. Go to the pointed. Got it? Again, it's not too hard to do the work. You guys can do this. Alright, so you have the 23rd to finish this work. So once you finish this, we go back to this line over here. This line over here, it gives you a little menu, and we go to document properties. Document properties, it gives you the title. This is SFA student, your name is supposed to be there, and the title. Now, we click in front of the 2020, and we're gonna underline, or you don't have to put underline if you don't want it.